That is a really ugly angle. Hi, welcome to my YaeMiko makeup tutorial. This is me pretending I'm a beauty guru. I already put my contacts in, so that's why it looks like I'm crying, because the contacts were being weird, but they're just purple contacts. The first thing I do with like anyone is I just use setting powder and I just put that all over my face just to kind of like, because my face looks greasy. So I put on setting powder, but I do also put on moisturizer before that just to, you know, make sure my face is moisturized. And then that's me getting setting powder absolutely everywhere. But oh, you can use foundation too. I just don't because my foundation is not like the right color for me right now and I'm too lazy. But after foundation, I put on blush and I kind of just put it all over my cheeks, and I put an obnoxious amount on because I get into cosplay for like TikToks and like photos, and the light washes color out, so you have to put a lot more on than you might need. I feel like I'm about to hiccup, but after the blush, I put on concealer, and that's not concealer, that's bronzer. Contour, that's what it is. I contour my face, especially my nose and my cheekbones, because I have a round face. So that's what I do. And then I put on highlighter. I do it like in the inside of the corner of my eyes, on my nose, and then under my eyebrows, and like on my cupid's brow of my lip, and then on my cheekbones too. And just kind of everywhere. So I look like I'm glowing, and it looks like I'm greasy, but like no, I'm just glowing. And then I use this eyeshadow palette from like Target and this eyebrow gel. Why am I holding it? Anyways, it's an eyebrow gel that I got at like Sephora, and it's just a clear brow gel, just to hold the pigment of the eyeshadow in my eyebrow. I'm like losing breath, but I just take a light color first, and then I put the pink on because YaeMiko's eyebrows are pink because she has pink hair. So I'm just making my eyebrows pink. So yeah, and the eyebrow gel, I live by that stuff because it holds the color of the eyeshadow. Like if you could use it without using the eyebrow gel too, but like I feel like it's just more difficult. You could also like use concealer or like glue your eyebrows down. But I don't do that because it's a lot of work, and I'd rather not, but you could do that. Like, nothing I'm doing now is, like, something that you, like, have to do. There is no correct way to do makeup, in my opinion. You kind of just mess around with it, like, I've just been messing around with makeup since I was, like, 5 years old. Even if it was really shitty Barbie makeup, I was still messing around with it, and I was having a great time, and look at me now! Then I use this palette. I forgot what it's called off the top of my head, but it's from Sephora, and I ordered it online and I could never find it in stores, but it's from Sephora, and I live by it because look at those colors! They look so nice, it's so pigmented, and the colors are so vibrant, and I love it. And I'm actually just got up to check what it's called because, oh, Violet Voss, her makeup palettes, those makeup palettes are just so nice. Like, my friend got another one too, and I'm like, I want to buy that one too. Do I have the money to do that? Well, yeah, but I shouldn't be spending it, but it's such a nice palette, I want to. But, basically what I did is I started with a darker color, and I just used, what is this called? Like the crease brushes, and I just put that in like the crease of my eyebrow. Not my eyebrow, my eyelid. I'm getting confused. But basically I just put that like all over the crease of my eyelid, and then, and then on my eyelid I put like a lighter color. Then I just kept piling on like darker colors on the outside because I do tend to have lighter colors in the inside and then darker ones on the outside because I think it looks cool. And it has like a nice ombre effect. And everyone loves a good ombre effect, right? Maybe. I don't know. Anything I can find I'll put in the description because I'm too lazy to get up and like look at what it is now. So it'll be there. Maybe. But check. I'll probably put it there if I remember. If not, yell at me in the comments and then I'll put it there. But yeah, it takes a lot of piling on eyeshadow to make it like even on both eyes, and I also just like having an obnoxious amount on. And I was adding more of like a purple color too to add darkness, and then I put the glittery one on. Look at how pretty it is. I love the glittery one. It's my favorite, and the sole reason I would buy a second one of these palettes because I use it like every day and I love it. And then I start eyeliner. This is the like Better Than Sex eyeliner, and I'm really bad at doing it in a camera, so you'll see me look away like 8 times and then look back because I suck at doing it through a camera and not just through my mirror. But I do have like this same way I do eyeliner like every time. I don't know how to explain it. It's like a little trick I do, but like I do very close to the top lash line, then close to the bottom lash line, and I just continue the bottom lash line up a little, and then I connect that end to the top, and then I have a little wing, and then I draw a little fake bottom lashes on under my bottom lash line because I do. I don't know. I just do things because I don't know. But eyeliner is definitely one of those things that takes a lot of practice. I've been doing it for so long at this point, I can literally just do it in like one stroke and it's just like, woo, like that. But it's definitely a lot easier for me than probably a decent amount of people. But I'm not saying I'm amazing at eyeliner. I'm not. I still make mistakes, but everybody makes mistakes, you know? It's like that song. And it does still take me a while, especially when I'm trying to get into cosplay. That eyeliner takes. You can look at all the stuff in my room. Eyeliner was done, so now it was eyelash time. Eyelashes are another thing I don't know how to explain how to put on, because it's just kind of something I've just done for a while. But you kind of just take the eyelash glue, you put it on the eyelash, then you stick the eyelash to your eye. And sometimes it doesn't go on right the first time. It used to take me like 5 or 10 times to get it on right. And I would literally spend like a half hour trying to put on false lashes. But now I am better at it, and it takes me like 1 or 2 times. But it still feels weird sometimes, and sometimes it pokes the inner corner of my eye and it makes me feel like I'm gonna start crying in just that one eye. But I don't, and pull through with it. But it's also because I'm too lazy to fix it. But once the eyelashes are on and nice in place, I just put on mascara to put it there. And then the video stopped again. But you just kind of want to put the mascara on the top lashes, like blend in your natural lashes with the false lashes, and then the mascara on the bottom lashes too, because there's nothing there. And I live by these false lashes too. I know there's people that have longer ones, and I love those, but I don't feel like finding them and buying them, so I live by these ones, and they're great. And if you've never put on false lashes before, you definitely don't want to go for the extra huge ones. So these ones are great, and I'll link these in the description because I love them. Please sponsor me, please. Then I put on lipstick, and I started with like lining with like a darker color, and then I put a neon color on in the middle, and then I stopped recording because, oh, I put on the outfit. Wow, look at that. This costume's really nice, and it's from rollcosplay.com, and I absolutely love their cosplays. They should totally sponsor me because I love their Genshin cosplays. Please. And then I put the wig on. That was a wig that I styled in another video, which I'll probably put in the top, I think it's the top right corner where the like insert things come up, but it'll also be in the description and on my profile, so you can find that. But like, makeup's done, just putting on the outfit and the wig. Some people do put their outfit on before they put on the makeup. I personally don't, because for the most part I end up getting makeup on my costume because my setting powder's a mess. But yeah, then I put the wig on, and this was me being looking weird because I didn't pin it on yet, and I still have to fix it. But I ended up really liking this cosplay, and I was really surprised with how it looked. I was just fixing the wig because they do get messed up a little when you're trying to put it on for the first time. But this is the final look. And yes, this is the same video I put in the wig styling one, but you can shut up about that. Don't point that out. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. And if you want to know how to style the wig, look at the other video, and yeah, look at me on TikTok and social media.